Hello there. It is I, your furry and adorable friend Grover. Welcome to Mindful Monsters. I am so glad you are here. Being a mindful monster means paying close attention to how you feel and what is going on around you. Let us start by taking a deep breath. Ready? Now, let us take a mindful moment with cute little old me to learn about loving ourselves. I just wanted to take this mindful moment to tell you that you are special. It is true. We are all special just for being ourselves. And I have a special thing I say to remember that I am special. And I want you to say it with me, okay? Repeat after me. I love me. Aw, now give yourself a hug. Okay, now place your hand on your heart and say, I am kind. You are kind. Okay, now put your hands on your hips and say, I am brave. You are brave. It is true. Okay, now make a big muscle and say, I am growing every day. Oh, what lovely big muscles you have. Okay, now one more time, give yourself a big hug and say, I love me. I cannot hear you. Very good. Now remember, you can say these words loud and proud whenever you want, so that you do not ever forget that you are special. Well, that was nice. Thank you for stopping by Mindful Monsters and taking a mindful moment with us today. Let us take one more deep breath together, okay? Bye.